My name's Doug Lloyd, and I'm here to tell you how I'm working hard to be Michigan's next Attorney General. So you understand where I come from. I have 34 years of experience as an attorney, the last 30 as a prosecutor. Since 2013, I've been the elected prosecutor here in Eaton County, Michigan, where I've won 4 elections as a Republican in a county that doesn't always lean our way. I've actually prosecuted cases. I prosecuted drug dealers, rapists, murderers, even corrupt politicians. And I've done it while leading one of the finest offices in the state. And we lead that office on principles, not politics. See, I got into this race because I've realized from the ground level that Michigan is broken. It needs someone who actually has the experience to fix it. See, I've fought through the things that matter to an attorney general, or at least should. I wasn't willing to be the governor's henchman or the attorney general's private police during COVID. I made sure my small businesses survived. When we talk about reform, I helped create one of the finest offices in the state, our economic crime unit. It's returned millions to local area businesses. I've helped start specialty courts. Our last one was our Veterans Treatment Court. I think it's important that if our veterans end up in our system, that we make sure that they're actually better when they get out. And I also was one of the first offices to employ a canine victim advocate, a black lab named Reagan. Sole job to work with children to make sure they feel safe during some of their most traumatic times. See, if you're going to actually be the Attorney General, well, then you have to make sure that you're Michigan first. Once Michigan's sovereignty is protected, you can then be America first. And I think that's really important that we put those two together. We want to make sure that Michigan's people are being protected. And that's the expectation that people can have for me. See, as an elected prosecutor, I already swear to the state and federal constitution. I understand what it's about. We're not going to bring frivolous lawsuits. If we're going to bring a criminal or a civil suit, well, we're going to do it on the facts and the Constitution, the law. That's what matters. Lawfare, political activism, those die day one. We're going to work with our local legislature to make sure that they actually understand that good conservative law can be brought forward. And finally, we're going to remember that as the Attorney General, our job is to protect everyone. I want to thank Veterans for America First, especially Cindy Holland and Londa Gott. Getting to meet them is inspiring. It's important that we remember that veterans are the backbone of our country. And as your next Attorney General, the veterans are going to be heard within our state.